Hey, what's up, DIYers? Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking ShibaSwap today and the amount of rewards that you can receive when staking, basically bone rewards. This is a 3-month update for us. Let's take a look. All right, here we are back on the computer, ShibaSwap.com, and once you get to the website, this is what it looks like. From here, top right corner where it says Connect Wallet, go ahead and click on that, and we have a Coinbase wallet. You will know your wallet is connected once you go back up to the top where it said Connect Wallet. It no longer says that. It now has your wallet address. In addition, to the left of that, it's got the bone price, lease price, and SHIB price. Current SHIB price is 0.000023. The current lease price is $1,194.57. And last but not least, the current bone price is 84 cents. And again, this is a 3-month update. We did a 2-month update, which is scrolling above. Definitely check that out. And in the 2-month video, the current bone price was 91 cents. So it has gone down, but again, crypto is very volatile and it fluctuates by the minute. So with that said, let's continue. Here is the bury option. This is where you stake your tokens. And right below that, the wolf, where we gain access to our rewards. From here, we'll select farm tokens. And since you're already connected to your wallet, it will automatically populate right here as you see. And let's focus on this part right here, your cumulative bone rewards. At our 3-month update, we have 19.8800. That is the 33% rewards that we've earned. And we can do anything with it right now. We can withdraw it, we can add it to the liquidity pool by digging, we can restake the bones to earn additional rewards, or we can just leave it here. And in our case, for all of you viewers just getting into ShibaSwap, we want to show you just the staking and what it will look like in the event that you don't do anything but staking. In addition, down below that is our unwolfable, which is 40.36251, and that is our 67% that is locked for 6 months. And here is the wolfable date, June 19, 2022. Here's the time. And what I want to do next is I want to add the 33% to the 67% and give me my total bone count. So I've got my calculator here. I will do 19.8800 plus 40.36251, and that comes out to 60.24251. Which is awesome. That means I've earned over 60 bone tokens just by staking the Shiba Inu tokens. And what I want to do now is multiply that 60.24251 by the current bone price, again 84 cents, which comes out to just over $50.60. And again, 100% free interest. And as you continue to learn about ShibaSwap and the staking and digging, you will learn that staking is 100% risk-free, meaning once you stake your tokens and begin earning rewards, they don't go away. Those are yours to keep, which allows the staking feature to fall into that very low risk category as opposed to the digging and adding liquidity to the pool, which on the left hand side you pick your 2 pairings and begin the digging process. However, this is a much higher risk, but in return from that high risk as opposed to the low risk with staking, the amount of interest and additional tokens that you earn by digging far exceeds the rewards that you get during staking, but again with that high risk. So with that said, if you don't want anything to do with high risk, you would rather just fall into the zero risk category of staking, that is what we are showing you during this video and additional videos. Now it's also important to add that on top of your bone token rewards, you're also earning Shiba Inu tokens and Ethereum. However, you won't be able to see that within your rewards on ShibaSwap.com. And we may cover that in future videos, but in this video, we're just focused on showing the actual staking bone rewards. And again, this is our 3-month update. What I want to talk about next is compounding interest. And we've covered this in previous videos. And really all that means is the longer you have your token staked, the more rewards you are going to earn every time ShibaSwap does its sweep and hit your account to add your rewards. In other words, as time goes on, every 2-week update, you will continue to get larger deposits of interest and rewards from the previous 2-week deposit, even if you have not added any additional tokens to your staking count. So with our next update, which is a 4-month update, that's scrolling above, definitely check that out. You will see our deposit is larger from the 3-month to the 4-month than it was from the 2-month to the 3-month. Again, because we've been staking for longer. And let's not forget, in the event that you're contemplating whether or not to stake or just leave your tokens on an exchange, again, this is our 3-month update and we have earned over $50 in interest. That's more interest in 3 months than I've basically ever got from any bank account I've ever owned. And with that said, if you've got any questions, post them below. We'll do our best to get back to you. And hopefully this helps. Do us a favor, below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.